Predator Max Performance 224. I used it on my go-kart for a little bit, but now I'm gonna film the disassembly of it. I'll try to separate it into parts. Videos won't be too long, but let's get into it. 10 millimeter. Air intake. It. This one's an 8 mil. $10 mil. This top nut was a 10 mil for the throttle bracket. 13. Sorry, 8. Nope. Yep, it is an 8. Alright, fuel tank's off. Fuel line is going to the carburetor. Alright, that's off. On this throttle bracket, another 8 millimeter. Take the spark plug off. Okay. Get junk. Whatever this is, junk too. Junk. More junk. Side cover. Another 8 mil with an extension. Well, that side cover bolts out. Now we've got to disconnect this stuff. This. And this is the low oil sensor. Does that. Another 8 mil. Junk. Alright, side cover's off. Coil. Another 8 mil. Hold on. This is an 8. There we go. Tighten it all the way up. These are 8 millimeter. $10 mil. 10 mil and a 14. Thin push rods compared to the other ones. Oh, they have a lash cap on them. Then the head bolts, 12. Heat shield. It's holding it in place. 8 mil. This heat shield's relentless. Another 8 mil. Okay, now it's time to drain the oil. Another 10 millimeter. So far, seems like it's only been 10 millimeter. 8. 13, I'm not sure what else. 10 mil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 mils. Bam! And up. Alright, guess I can remove this governor arm. 10. Get this governor arm off. Up. Yep. Take the lifters. I think it's 21 millimeter. It. Oh, there it goes, the garden arm. Piston all the way out. Ta-da. I gotta figure out a way to get that out. 8 mil. $13, and it wasn't even that tight. And that's junk. Again. 5. We can read that not. But it's a 5/32. Ta-da. That's all, folks. You guys liked it? Leave a comment. Got any tips? Leave that as well. Thank you for watching.